This video is going to take you through the packing of goods out notes on the Stok app. We've completed the picks for these two open goods out notes, completed the picks on the app using tote picking, i.e. assigning a tote, trolley, or a basket to a pick. And now we're going to pack these goods out notes using the Stok app. So let's jump over to the Stok app and have a look at our goods out notes. Now that all the items have been picked using tote picking, i.e. we've assigned a tote, which could be a basket or a trolley, to a pick, and that basket or trolley has been brought to the pack station, we're ready to pack the goods out notes. So we can click on goods out notes. When we open that, we don't see any goods out notes ready to pack because we haven't scanned in or added in the tote reference. To do that, we click the icon in the bottom right corner. And now we can either type in the tote reference or scan it in from a barcode. Now that we've added in the tote reference, we can see the associated goods out notes, and we can pick up any item off the trolley or basket and simply scan it. And that opens up a goods out note. Now we can scan in the items. If I scan in too many, it will let me know. If I scan in an incorrect barcode, it will let me know. We can sort the goods out note by name, SKU, storage location, or weight. And weight might be used if you're packing a pallet and you want the heavy items at the bottom and the lighter items at the top. I can adjust the number of units as I pack them using the plus and minus. And I could click on the 0 here. That opens up the keypad, and then I could type in a number. So now we can see we've fully packed. If I needed to create a consignment on the fly, I could select the items that I want to break out into multiple boxes, and then I'd use the little arrow icons at the top right, click on that, and then I could create a new package and determine the number of items I want to move in to that new package. I can adjust the weight. I can change the packaging. So it's very flexible to manipulate the packing at your pack station using the handheld. When we're ready to print the courier label and dispatch the item, we're going to press the little lorry icon in the bottom right. Once we've dispatched the item, it's going to update your e-commerce channel to dispatch status for the associated sales orders, and it's going to send out the courier tracking codes to your customer via email. When we click the lorry icon, the final step is we click OK, and the items are dispatched, the label prints out, and packing is complete for that goods out note. Now that we've completed the pack of goods out note 328, we can come back into the back office and we can see that the status has changed to dispatched. If we click in, we can see dispatched, So we scroll down, we can see the tracking code has been sent back from your courier. The items have been packed. The pick that was associated with this goods out note. And we can also add in and have a look at the person who dispatched it and the time that that was dispatched. So that is how to complete a pack of a goods out note using the back office and the Stok app.